Welcome to day 20 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. We are following a pattern of checkpoint on our learning every 10 days. This will help you to do a self-check on several topics that was covered. Let's get into the review. Day 11 to 14, we learnt about communication and listening skills. These are core things for you to adopt for an effective communication and building strong relationship. Communication should never be an act of speaking and sake of listening. It should always be on the ground of understanding and exchanging ideas. There are many problems right now amongst people in terms of communication and listening skills. Sometimes the choice of word is a problem. Sometimes the choice of medium to communicate is another problem. Let's use the technology for easy access, but don't rely on them totally and risk relationships. Kindly understand that effective communication will result in a lot of good things like making you a reliable person and also will help you to get a lot of healthy contacts and conversation. Words have power, which in turn means you can use the power of words in order to build lives. Day 15, we learnt about feedback. Feedback is essential for our growth. Accepting the feedback and processing it is a sign of good, healthy mindset. Whenever you receive a feedback, whether it is positive or negative, accept the way it came and then plan it, process it and implement it. A periodical check along with your feedbacker will help you to grow effectively. Day 16. Nobody wants to be framed based on our attitude. Though attitude is a perception of others, developing a positive attitude will give you more strength to access people in a wide spectrum. You will be able to accept people from different culture and different personality. Day 17. Rejection hurts, but learning how to handle rejection will help you to be stable and think of ways to handle your mental health. There is no rule that you have to be loved by all, and there is no rule that you need to hate yourself for being rejected. Day 18. Overcoming fear. Fear is one of the greatest barriers for not trying. So overcome your fear and take up the first step of trying and be prepared to even accept your failures and try again. Day 19 is about learning, which you've been doing for past 20 days. Let's continue this learning journey. If you haven't watched my videos, watch now and start your learning journey. Follow me for the next days. Learn to Lead in 100 Days. I'm your coach, Rosie Ayankutti.